Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be doing some cursive and we'll be trying capital and small letters and in a very easy way. So we'll be trying on a black paper. So let's get started. In this example, zebra sarasa clip with 1mm pen has been used throughout the video, and a black paper with a matte finish and 200 GSM paper has been used. Both capital letters and small letters have been tried, and the height of the capital letter will be less than 1 centimeter and will be 0.5 centimeter for all the small letters. So let's see how we can do this. This style can be tried or attempted with any pencil or a pen. It will not depend on the pen which I am using or the paper. It can be tried with anything. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel, and thank you very much for watching.